How to share a TikTok video to Instagram story. Want to share a TikTok video to your Instagram story? Did you know that you can do it directly from the TikTok app? Follow this simple tutorial to do it easily. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Find the video you want to share. You can share a video from your profile or any interesting video from other TikTok profiles. Next, tap on the share button on the right side of the screen. Here, find the Stories option with the Instagram app colors. You might need to swipe left on the apps to find this option. The Instagram app will open with the video ready to be shared as a story. You can edit the story by adding text, stickers, or other elements if you wish. Once you're ready, tap on your story to share it with your followers. Wait for the video to upload. You'll need to be patient during this process as it might take a while. I'll shorten the video and show you the final result. Here's our TikTok video on the Instagram story. And that's it. Thank you for following us. For more helpful tutorials and digital news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.